Welcome to Campbell RV, the Gulf Coast's premier destination for RVs. And here's a look at another great vehicle from our inventory. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with walk-around queen bed, smoke detector, electric awning with LED lights, big corner shower, rear kitchen, sofa bed, USB charging station, double kitchen sink, overhead storage, large closet with drawers, spare tire, L-shaped kitchen counter, detachable power cord, AM/FM CD DVD player, outside gas grill, entertainment center, J-lounge seating, lift-up queen bed, roof-mounted antenna, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, shower skylight, slide-out wardrobe, fire extinguisher, pleated shades, frameless windows, kitchen pantry, large counter area, walk-through bathroom, entry grab handle, 3-burner range, wardrobe and cabinet, linen cabinet, closets on both sides of the bed, freestanding table with chairs, double slides, dual entry doors in bathroom, dual bedroom nightstands, overhead kitchen storage, power awning, ducted AC, a backup camera, flip-up counter, sleeps up to 4 people. At Campbell RV, we've been helping families create memories since 1993. Besides new and pre-owned RVs for sale and rent, Campbell RV also services them as well. We work to provide a learning environment where you can get your questions answered without pressure to buy. From our family to yours, Campbell RV is here to provide you with the best experience possible picking out the right RV for you. Come see us today at 617 Callemen Road in Sarasota. Campbell RV, where away is closer than you think.